Let's work a little bit more today since we're getting really close to the end. We're going to start introducing her to the gate, okay? So she doesn't want to go near this gate. She never has. So I'll use this gate as this is the perfect opportunity to teach my horse how to work a gate, right? Okay, so let me just walk you through this process real quick. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to make the ideal position for her on the gate the resting and safe place. Anywhere other than that is a difficult place for her to be. So I just introduced her to that gate right there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to trot her around this pen, right? And I'm going to sit right there on that gate. Okay? And she didn't stop where I wanted her to, right? When I first gave her the option. And I'm using my leg right there. How about that, guys? If I hold that pressure there for more than about, say, 10 seconds or so, I'm going to go down and add that rein and help. And I'll show you how we do that, okay? So I'll put the calf pressure, but look at her. Look at her moving over. Man, super, super nice filly right here. So calf pressure again. If she goes forward, I'm going to reach down and catch her with that rein and hold that calf pressure there until that rear end moves over, okay? If she really wants to leave, she's just trying to figure out what I'm asking. If she really wanted to leave, I'd trot her around this pen and put her back, right? But if I feel her trying to think her way through it, then I'll help her a little bit. But if the horse isn't trying to figure you out and think their way through it and they just take off when you put a leg on them, you got to do the other deal. You got to let them trot around and find a quiet spot right here. All right. Now let's see if we can move this front end over again. She's thinking. She's trying different things. Now my spur is touching her. I'm just going to help a little bit with this rein. Right there. Okay. You don't want to get into this deal where you're bending her face all the way around here and poking her over here, okay? Because you're going to break all the trust that you've built into her. Don't do that. Put the right leg in the front, number one position. She's trying to draw back, right? Because I taught her to draw back yesterday, but that's not what I'm asking. I've got this leg in the number one position. Now my spur is there. I'm helping with the reins there, just like that. Okay. Let's put her back over here on the gate. Okay. Right leg in the number one position. She's leaning into it. My spur now and the reins. She's going forward. There, right there.